What is the difference between plain bearings and ball bearings? Plain bearings support motion using a sliding surface with lubrication. Ball bearings use rolling balls between inner and outer races to reduce friction. Plain bearings are excellent for heavy load, high-speed rotation, shock absorption, quiet operation. Ball bearings are better for low friction, precise movement, easy installation, moderate loads. Plain bearings usually require proper lubrication, oil film maintenance, accurate clearance. Ball bearings generally need less lubrication and maintenance. Plain bearings are widely used in turbines, engines, compressors or heavy industrial machines. Ball bearings are commonly used in electric motors, fans, bicycles, hold machines. Plain bearings can handle higher loads, while ball bearings provide smoother, low-friction rolling motion. Engineers select the bearing type based on load, speed, vibration, operating conditions. Simple engineering rule: correct bearing selection is equal to better machine performance. Follow for more practical engineering videos. Join our upcoming YouTube live session starting June 2026 every Sunday to learn mechanical designing by SolidWorks 2026, from sketching to professional 3D modeling, assembly and drawing creation, etc., and live interactive discussions, practical examples, and real engineering learning. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next live session. Follow for more practical engineering videos. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive future engineering-related updates. Thank you.